So today we're out here in Mataura and we're working with our schools in the Aparima and Waiau catchment and helping them understand a little bit about what's going on in the catchment and water quality here.
So this is part of children understanding some of the challenges that we face at a catchment level, of knowing where they fit in a catchment and how they're connected to a place and a river and a waterway.
Every activity is all hands-on. There will be lots of students asking questions and having opportunity to explore their waterways and what is going on in there. And what we're hoping for is that learning will continue for the years to come, and they'll get actively engaged in this.
Just delighted to seeing the students' interest in what's going on as well. I think that the fish dissection might be the highlight really, and they're really engaged with that as well. I've learnt a lot already today. I'll have to come again next time.
I spend a lot of recreational time on the waterways, so I have an appreciation for the ecosystems, and but I do realise that it's definitely there's a threat there as far as water quality. So yeah, seeing the kids get involved young and go home with ideas and a new appreciation and just an understanding is really cool to see.
One of my favourite bits was dissecting the fish and learning about what they eat.
And we've learned that all the microplastic gets stuck in between the rocks and it gets chipped away, so it gets smaller, and we'd like to reduce that.
One of my favourite things was learning about all the bugs that are in the water under the rocks.
We're really lucky because we have a number of community partners that are only too willing to help us. So we've got Thriving Southland and students to come along and help us.
And the other theme that's really important is Māori perspectives. So we're here looking from mountains to sea, ki uti ki tai.
So we've got 52 Enviroschools that are involved in the program, and so we're bringing all of those schools together, and so they can get to know other schools in their catchment, and they can they can link and share resources and share some of their activities and look at ways that they can help contribute to the health of the waterways through combining all their knowledge and resources together. Yeah, lots of moving parts, but it's so worthwhile when you see all those smiles on all the students' faces.